Good morning, guys. Today we are replacing the antenna and the antenna base grommet. This old grommet is pretty much gone. We will be removing 5 screws to disengage the fender, allowing access to the grommet. All the screws are 10 mm. To get to the 5th screw, you need to remove this cover, held by these 2 plastic push-in Phillips head clips. The cover should just pop right off. Once you take out that last screw, the fender should be loose enough for us to get in there and pull the grommet right out. Here's the new one compared to the old one. Install the new grommet from outside the fender. Just push it right in. If there's resistance, use a socket and hammer to help with the installation. I'm installing a modern shorter copper core antenna. Just screw it right in. Here's the before and after comparison. The new antenna is so short it's kind of cute.